Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to run C and C++ program in Visual Studio Code. So first I'll be showing you how to download MinGW, which is the compiler, and after that Visual Studio Code, and finally we will be running the C and C++ program in it. So let's get started. First thing, just Google MinGW. We'll be having the official link here. Click it, and here we'll be having the download option, and as you can see we are having these many downloads over here. So just click it. The download will be getting started, just 84 KB in size. Open it, and we'll be having the setup here. Just click on install, and this is going to be the installation directory. If you want to change it, you can just click on continue. This will take some time to set up the installation manager, so be patient. So once it is done, we can simply click on continue. So here make sure that you are checking this base, select mark for installation, and here you are selecting GCC G++. Click this mark for installation. These two are enough, and click on installation and click on apply changes. This will take some time to download, so just be patient. So once it is done, we will be getting all changes were applied successfully. We can simply click on close and close this also. Now if you go to search and type MinGW, we'll be getting this MinGW installation manager. Select open file location, and again right click and select open file location. This is going to be the path where we have installed MinGW on our system. Just click on the first MinGW folder here and go inside bin. Okay, so we must copy this path with the bin folder, and now go to search, type environment. We'll be having the the system environment variables. Open it, and here click on environment variables. Under user variables or system variables, select path, click on edit, new, and just paste it. Okay, and select OK everywhere. So now if I go to search and open command prompt and type the command g++ space ---- version, we'll be getting the g++ version that we have installed. So we have successfully done this. Next thing is we need to install Visual Studio Code and set it up. First thing, just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it, and here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this, and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next, and this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next, and this is fine. Next. And here is an important thing, make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes. Okay, this will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it. Okay, so just click on next, and these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. Now in Visual Studio Code, first thing is make sure that you're having the right font size. So to the left we'll be having this manage icon. Click it and go to settings, and here we'll be having the font size. Make sure that you're having it between 30 and 40. Once you have done that, we need to open a folder, and inside that folder we'll be creating two files. So to create a folder, go to file, select open folder. Just go to your desired location. I will just go to local disk D, and here I will create a new folder. Let me just name it as demo project. Select that folder and click it, and that folder will be getting selected, but it is empty now. So to create a file, click on this new file. I'll just name it as new program 1.cpp. This is for C++, and I'll just go with another one, new program 2.c. So one is for C++, another one is for C, and it will automatically ask you to install this particular extension pack. If you don't get this pop-up, okay, go to extensions and just search for C extension pack, okay, and we'll be having the first one. Click it. So this is for both C and C++. This will install all these 4 extensions, and this will really help in debugging, autocomplete, and recommendation. So I would highly recommend you to get this. So just install it. That is done. So now let me just add some template code here. So this is the sample code that I'm having for both the languages. Now to run this, there are 2 ways. One is by using terminal, and another one is using the run button. I'll be showing you the both. So first, open the terminal. For that, here we are having the terminal. Click it, new terminal. So to run this, we'll be using the command G++ for the C++ program, and the file name, which is new program 1 with the extension, okay, and hit enter. So we'll be getting the a.exe file. So to view the output, it's going to be ./a, and hit enter, and that's it. We are getting the hello world. Now similar thing for the C program also. So for this, I will just add an extra O, so to differentiate the output. To compile this, similar command, rather than G++, it's going to be GCC, and the file name of the C program, which is new program 2, and the .c extension. And similarly, a.exe file will be created for this C program. To view the output, exactly the same command. As you can see here, we are getting this hello world, okay. So this method is quite difficult because we are running commands through the terminal. Now let's see the shortcut way how you can directly run by using the run button. So for that, again go to extensions and just search for code runner. We'll be having this. Click it, and this is quite famous. Just look at the number of downloads. Just click on install. It is done. Go to your program, and to the top you'll be having this arrow icon. Click it. We'll be having this run code. Select it. As you can see, the program is running. Do the same for the C program also. That's it. We didn't type anything in the terminal. Just type your code, save it, and run it directly. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.